Hello everyone, in this short video I am going to show you how to check who is using your Wi-Fi. Many times we complain that our Wi-Fi speed is slow. The most probable reason for this is somebody else might be using your Wi-Fi. For example, if you are using a Wi-Fi at home and you are having 3 to 4 person who are accessing that same Wi-Fi at the same time, downloading at the same time, then you will not get speed properly. Okay, so if your Wi-Fi password is known to someone near you, who is staying near you, they can also use your Wi-Fi. So right now I am going to show you how to check who is using my Wi-Fi. Let's go to our command prompt, press Window R, type CMD. I am in my command prompt. Let me show you the Wi-Fi that I am using. See here, this the name of the Wi-Fi that I am using is Shaiju GTPL. Okay, TP-Link 9C10 and Raj is the Wi-Fi that is connected, not connected, but that is near my home. Somebody else is using that Wi-Fi. Okay, but the strength is too low. Right now we are concerned with my Wi-Fi only. Shaiju GTPL is the name of the Wi-Fi. Now, in this command prompt, write the command ipconfig/all. See, if you want to get a detailed information about what this ipconfig command do, I will have a link in my description. You can check my detailed video on ipconfig command. In that video, I explain in very much detail about this command, everything I had explained. Right now, I am not going much in detail. Just write the command ipconfig/all, press enter. Now see here. This is the IP of your computer. We are not concerned here right now. What is your concern right now is this default gateway. Default gateway is the IP address of my router. Okay, from where I am getting the internet. So what I have to do, you have to note this. Okay, 192.168.0.1. Go to Google 192.168.0.1. Fine. See, this is the page. TP-Link is the router I am using is of TP-Link and my connection is of GTPL. Okay, so in this page you have to write username. Admin is the username given by default. If you change that, you can give the password that you are changing. Okay, so admin is the default username and password. Click on login. Okay, now from this page you have to go to the left hand side. You have to go to wireless. You have to go to, then we are having wireless statistics. Okay, see here, these are the MAC address. Okay, the MAC address portion. Right now 3 users are connected to my Wi-Fi. Okay, all the 3 users are at my home only. Everyone is using the same Wi-Fi. How to verify that these are 3 users are authenticated or not? Okay, I will do one thing. What I will do, I will connect one more user. Okay, that means I am using one mobile, and from that I will connect to this Wi-Fi. So you check here, instead of 3 now we'll have 4. Okay, so let's do that. I will click on Wi-Fi. I try to connect my Wi-Fi from my mobile. See, you can see here 4th connection is also there. That means the 4th connection is of my mobile. Okay, and you might have noted that this page is refreshing every now and then. It is checking whether the new Wi-Fi connection is established or not. You can press refresh also if you don't find it. So right now 4 users are connected to my Wi-Fi network. Fine, and the user which is using my Wi-Fi connection at most, that means is sending more data, receiving more data, is this 3rd one. Okay, 85,791. Okay, now how to check this all the users are from your home or not? In that you have to go here. You have to find the MAC address. Okay, that is the MAC address, is a physical address of your system. See here, physical address 6C6A. This is the physical address of this my laptop. So you will find here. See here, 666A. Okay, this 3rd one, 666A. I am not revealing the entire MAC address. I might be hiding everything. MAC address is very important information. Okay, using the MAC address also someone can hack into your system. So I will hide the MAC address, but I will show you the first 2 or 3 digits so you can just verify it. The third Wi-Fi is using maximum one. Okay, that is my laptop because I am using the maximum connection, maximum data packet I am sending and receiving. So you can verify that this is my laptop system's MAC address. The fourth one, that is my mobile, and another 2 is also of my people who are using Wi-Fi at my home. And suppose after checking the MAC, you will find that, oh, this MAC is not related to our home. Then you can make confirm, or you can sure that somebody else is using your Wi-Fi. So what to do now? What you can do, you can go to this, let me expand it a bit. You can go to this wireless MAC filtering. Okay, in here you can deny that. Suppose you found that the 4th MAC address is not the authenticated user. Okay, somebody else is using, some hacker is using your Wi-Fi. Then go here, wireless MAC filtering, and click on this deny. Okay, add new, and just add the MAC address of that person, and you can write that he is a hacker. So you can know that this person is illegally using your Wi-Fi, and you just save it. I'm not doing it right now. You just save it, and that person will not be able to use your Wi-Fi. Okay, so in this short video, I have shown you how to check who is using your Wi-Fi. I request you to share this video with everyone else so they can also get this valuable information. Thank you. Meet you in next video.